So guys, you see, I've only picked how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we have a full basin here. Hi guys, today I woke up feeling like eating eggplants. And so today we are going to the garden to pick eggplants, and we shall go to the kitchen and cook them.
Hi.
So guys, you see, I've only picked how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we have a full basin here.
So I had to wash my eggplants first because they had spoiled on them since the weather is not nice. Yeah, even though they didn't have, it's very good to always wash these things before we eat because we usually spray them with some chemicals, though some of them are mild, but they're not good for consumption. So we have to wash them thoroughly and see that they are really clean, and then we go ahead and cook. Then later I had to cut the eggplants because they were really big. I love them when they are chopped into small pieces. Yeah, keep watching and enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I love you.